Hello everyone and welcome back to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how to hide the HUD on Minecraft. You want to hide the HUD because, for example, you want to make a cinematic, you want to see like this to record a video or whatever. Well, the only thing you have to do is to press the F1 key like this and you will hide this HUD. This is very useful, for example, to make a video, music video, gameplay, whatever, to show a building, I don't know. So if this video was useful for you, you can check if you are subscribed, comment, share, like, press the bell on the subscription button, and check for other videos. I have a lot of Minecraft tutorials, Roblox, Facebook, Instagram, any other game. So you are welcome to check out. And remember that we always will be uploading daily videos. So see you next time in another Easy Way video. Goodbye and Easy Way.